यारा मेरे दिल के करीब कोई ना, तेरे सिवा अपना नसीब कोई ना। संग तेरे रहना ख्याल बन के, आती मुझे तुझ तरकीब कोई ना। कहता है तुझको हसीना इनाम, तुझ में ही रहता है लीना इनाम। बोलो इस मुझको जलाया ना करे, लेना मैंने तुझसे ये छीना ही ना। मुझसे ही सुन ले तारीफ अपनी, शादी वाली मिलती लकीर अपनी। तेरी मेरी दुनिया बसेगी जिसमें, आने वाली जल्दी तारीख अपनी।
तो मेरे सुर में जैसा हो, तो मेरे सपने जैसा अखियों में रखना है। सबसे छुपा के तुझको, चुपके से मर्जी से चाहूंगी तुझको।
यारा मेरे दिल के करीब कोई ना, तेरे सिवा अपना नसीब कोई ना। संग तेरे रहना ख्याल बन के, आती मुझे तुझी तरकीब कोई ना।
दिलों की अमीरी में गरीब कोई ना, आशिकों से बढ़ के अजीब कोई ना। आंखें मिले जब तब जान पे बने, इश्क से ऊंची तो सलीब कोई ना। चुरा ले मुझे अब सजना तो सारा, जवानी तेरे नाम कर दे मैंने यारा। लगा के तुझे होठ से अपनी देखो, कहाँ से तू मीठा कहाँ से तू खारा।
पानियों में बहते चिराग जैसी तू, महके गुलाबों के है बात जैसी तू। ठंडी होती अखियों तुझे दिख के, छूने से तो लगती है आग जैसी तू। यारा मेरे दिल के करीब कोई ना, तेरे सिवा अपना नसीब कोई ना। संग तेरे रहना ख्याल बन के, आती मुझे तुझी तरकीब कोई ना।
मैं तेरे पे मर गई सजना रे, तू समझाना। इश्क से मैं भर गई सजना रे, तू समझाना। तेरे आगे पीछे घूमती फिरूं, पिए भी नहीं मैं झूमती फिरूं। तेरे साए को भी मैं चूमती फिरूं, मेरी जान तुझ पे निसार सजना।
यारा मेरे दिल के करीब कोई ना, तेरे सिवा अपना नसीब कोई ना। संग तेरे रहना ख्याल बन के, आती मुझे तुझी तरकीब कोई ना।
कुछ दिनों से मुझे पहले से और भी अच्छे लगते हो तुम। ऐसी तुम में सनम जाने क्या बात है, अच्छे लगते हो तुम। मैंने दिल को कभी आजमाया ही न था इस तरह, क्योंकि पहले मुझे तो किसी पे भी कभी प्यार आया ना था इस तरह। इश्क में, तेरे इश्क में, तुझे क्या बताऊं यारा। मेरे इश्क में, इश्क में, इश्क में, हाँ मैं किस कदर फिदा हूँ यारा। तेरे इश्क में सबसे बड़ा मैं, तेरे इश्क में मैं ना रहा। मैं तेरे इश्क में कुछ तो हुआ है, तेरे इश्क में मैं ना रहा। मैं तेरे इश्क में।
I'm going to start with a few quick words about Nisha and Luca. While growing up at a very early age, I think one thing Titli quickly understood, that she has not only one but two sets of parents. For her, it was double the love, gifts, and sometimes scolding. Then it was a confusing time for a while when Putu was little, and next few years we got bored listening to the chanting that Titli was mean to me. Putu was mean to me. Surprisingly, it changed very quickly to Titi and Didi are being mean to me when Rooney started talking. We were fortunate that three of them could grow up together with sharing, caring, and sometimes hating each other. But Titli, being the oldest one, always have a very special place in our heart. Now, we met Luca in Titli's house as her friend from high school. He was and still is very nice and polite and likes to taste our Bengali food. And for us, that's a proof that he's a very great guy. In the wedding invitation statement, Titli mentioned about the chemistry class homework, which initiated their love story and how she failed that exam, as her concentration was not in studying. But I think she and Luca passed the test of actual chemistry between them. It is so lovely to see them together. Our good wishes and Ashirwad will always be with you too. All the best and enjoy the new journey.
There's a baby boom in our community. So there are a lot of kids that are born at the same time. And many of you here, you went to their birthday parties in the Fairfax Rec Center and pools and Chuck E. Cheeses and other places. And then we saw them graduating from high school, so we went to their graduation parties. And now Titli is the first in that line to get married. So it's a very special thing. Titli, you are ahead. Titli always used to say, my mom says, I learn everything very fast. So I think this is also a proof of that, right? Am I right there? Yeah, I started speaking when I was youngest or something like that. So that's about that. And then, Luca, we have not seen Luca since his childhood, but we are seeing Luca for maybe 8 years or so. So a lot of things change in Luca, but couple of things never changed. So one is his sweet smile, has always been there. And another thing is his love and admiration whenever he's around Titli or Annesha. If you see them when they're around, I always watch Luca. And so much of admiration, it never changed. And I was like, wow, it's still like that on the very first day. So that spell is still going on, Luca, right? So, and then again, thank you everybody. I know a lot of people worked very hard, choreographed, practiced, and I think Orpita and Ankit were the two choreographers who gave a lot of inspiration and a lot of support. Sorry, what is that? Oh, Nia and Kanvi, of course, yeah. So, but then there are a lot of other folks who practice very hard. I saw them practicing even today to make it perfect. And Titli, another little story, when Titli is very fond of music, like Titli and Anisha, I think her nickname is Titli, very fond of music since her childhood. When she was a very little baby and we used to take her on a drive or something, we'd put her on the car seat and tighten the belt and then start driving, and Titli would say, Gaan obe. That's like, oh, music should play. We need to play the music. And she could barely speak at that time. So Titli's wedding has to have a lot of song and dances. So without any further delay, let's start the evening. And what Pew is what is Pew? Oh, okay. So our lovely and talented MC for the evening, Pew. Take it away.
Yeah, I love the song. Thank you. So we are going to name the evening something. Let's think of a title, and Chemistry of Love. Sounds great. Where is Luca and Titli? Yeah, the Chemistry of Love. So we're going to start the evening with a bit of a move, a bit of a music, and of course, let the wind blow. So good evening and a warm welcome to each and every one of you. We are gathered here tonight to celebrate a love story that has brought us all together, right? The beautiful union of Annesha and Luca. This special evening marks the coming together of two families, cultures, and hearts. We are not just celebrating a wedding here, yes, we are not, but a journey of love, laughter, and memories. Let's kick off the celebration with a joyful Sangeet ceremony filled with music, dance, and magical moves. What's a party without a little bit of music and dance? Off to the ladies. Let's give them a big hand.
देखा उस जालिम ने चौक पर हमने कलेजा रख दिया चाकू की नोक पर मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले बर्बाद हो रहे थे जी बर्बाद हो रहे थे जी तेरे अपने शहर वाले मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले बर्बाद हो रहे थे जी तेरे अपने शहर वाले ना टूटे तो आजा मेरे नैना जुड़वा लेना
I'll go back to my speech. Well, once upon a time, as I said, it's a chemistry of love, so there will be a bit about Anisha and Luca as well. Once upon a time, in the midst of high school chaos, there was a girl named Anisha and a boy named Luca. They were classmates in AP chemistry, both trying to juggle the pressure of high expectations, difficult exams, and the relentless homework that seems to multiply overnight. One fateful night, with an assignment looming and the clock ticking, Anisha decided to text. Text Luke at 2 a.m. Yeah, perfect timing. And what started as a late night procrastination about homework turned out into an all night conversation. A who to that? Okay? Yes. Now, we wonder what they must have thought that night. Any guesses? Well, I'm sure we have our own guesses. Now, let's imagine what these Marshis, are the Marshis ready? Okay. Okay, all right, the girls think and was going through their minds. So we're going to see it over here, all right?
లైట్ అన్ఈవెన్ క్రేజీ ఉంది.
That's beautiful. Lovely. You all looked so beautiful and the moves. What unfolded next in that vibrant journey of our beloved Titli and Luca. Love had blossomed and a life was forever transformed. Let's hear what these girls are gossiping about Titli. Girls, are you ready? All right. Okay, I take it back. It's the boys who are going to gossip right now.
होके ट्रीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा मेरी बात तेरी बात ज्यादा बातें बुरी बात खाली में कटोरा लेकर आलू भात पूरी भात मेरे भी जो किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा
performance. Give me a big hug. Lovely family now. Okay. Now, let's get ready. The volume is already up, but it still didn't turn up the volume and the energy. It's already very high up because now we are bringing out the sass, the swag, and the whole lot of filmy pyar. This one is for the bride, the queen of the night. The bride, the queen of the night. And for the sweetheart who stole her heart. So put your hands together because it's time to dance, romance, and celebrate with Titli's childhood friends. Come on. A big hand to her.
दो नैन सितारे है चांद संभला क्या कहना उसका आफरी दावत में जैसे हो शाही टुकड़ा उसके जैसी न कोई नाज़नी शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है फरमाइश बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है फरमाइश बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शादी जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है
No, you're not going away from the stage like that. A big hand, isn't it? All right. That was fantastic. Now, those of us who already have seen Hindi movies, you know this, what I mean. Titli, what is this? All right, let's go back to their story. When Luca started taking Nesha out on their dates, the Mashis are all ready. Mashis, along with her mom, gave her some advice. Gave some advice to Titli on Nesha. With bangles in one hand and advice in the other, they told her, dress up, shine bright, walk with flash. But be careful. The wind is strong, the night is young, and those jhumkas, Titli, oh ho ho ho, they are not cheap. So don't lose them. Nesha asks our Mashis, what's jhumka? Come on, a big hand to the jhumkas.
रायबरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी रायबरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी हर पहल कितना से पर कहना तेज हवा से बच के रहना
Mitali, lovely, and the girls and the Mashis. Okay, the choreographer came rushing, hugging them. All right, you get enough. Oh, it was fantastic. Lovely. So I come in between to tell a part of the stories, you know. Annesha, I hardly call her Annesha, I call her Titli mostly. So Annesha, the spirited Desi girl with a heart full of dreams, never imagined she would find love in charming Luca. The chemistry of love sparkled with dopamine and flooding the brain with a rush of passion and the warmth of lasting bonds. Oh, it's completely Bollywood, all right. So let's go for the performance. Next, they're all ready. The stage is yours. A big hand to each one of you.
कच्चे धागों में पिरोली बातों की रंगोली से न खेलूं ऐसे होली मैं ना तेरा लेकिन खलक पर बेसी है nobody like my Desi लेकिन खलक पर
Lovely, fantastic. Okay, we are ready for the next show. Okay. With hearts full of joy. What a performance. Give me a big hug.
పొలం కట్టు దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిట్ట దూకినట్టు పొలమ్మ జాతరలో పోతరాజు ఊగినట్టు గిర్రు చెప్పులేసుకొని కర్ర సాము కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన మిరప తొక్కు కలిగినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు తీసు బిడ్డ కూసినట్టు చేరు సిక్కలేసేలా పాలం సాగినట్టు కారు సింధు తొక్కేలా తుమ్మారం రేగినట్టు ఒళ్ళు చెమట పట్టేలా ఈ రంగం చేసినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు
What a pose and what a move. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Let's give them a big hand. Oh. So the script goes like this. Beneath the twilight skies of Paris fair, two hearts entwined without a care. They dance through streets where stories breathe, with wine on lips and love beneath. Laughter, yes, laughter spilled with vintage red by candlelight where dreams were fed. With fromage and kisses soft and slow, they let the city's magic flow. In Paris, love found its sweet refrain, a melody of joy like summer rain. A very, very special performance by all the Meshus.
भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा वाले चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं आऊं जाने जाने सारे इन खातों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस रंग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो दो फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती चाहिए
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूम लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल कर मेरे भाई सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बेचारी कर ले गल्ला चूड़ियां सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बेचारी कर ले गल्ला चूड़ियां मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे तू देख तो अज भी दिल पर गुड़िए तीर जाग जल जावे कर दे बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी कोई चुना यमला बन जावे जो इतने हो बेताबी हेलो हेलो दिल दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बेचारी कर ले गल्ला सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बेचारी कर ले गल्ला चूड़ियां जनक तेरा पल लूंगा नक नक जनक तेरा पल लूंगा नक मैं कबूतर फंसे के हो फंसे बिना है फंसे बिना है फंसे बिना जनो जनक तेरा पल लूंगा नक नक जनो जनक तेरा पल लूंगा नक नक जनो जनक तेरा पल लूंगा नक नक जनो जनक तेरा पल लूंगा नक मैं कबूतर फंसे के हो कोई फंसे बिना मैं कबूतर फंसे के हो कोई फंसे बिना
Big applaud. You're wonderful. No one gets down. No one gets down. Okay, come. We have to unmask them. We have to unmask.
Okay, for the record, okay, I am the only person who didn't dance with the mask. Okay, so I am the bravest guy. These guys are.
Wonderful. This is the best performance. And those men and boys who are still sitting over there, they prove that anybody and everybody can dance. Hello, it was fantastic. Okay. Finally, the wedding bells chimed. A sweet symphony of love, filling room with happiness, honoring a love destined for the stars as two hearts came together. So we have the performers right behind us, and let's wait for the final show, the last show.
खाना मायन मायन मेरे पे तेरी बोल रहा है खाना जोगन हो गई तेरी दुलारी मन जोगी सब लागा मायन मायन मेरे पे तेरी बोल रहा है खाना जोगन हो गई तेरी दुलारी मन जोगी सब लागा
Lovely. Wonderful. Beautiful. Now we have the last performance. Let's get the brides.
चाहती सब क्या है ये सुनो इन सब के मन इनकी धड़कन सुनो जरा सपने क्या है इन आँखों में दिल में है क्या अरमान Girls like to swing.
मिठी गल्ला करके तू ना जा छट के I think about it every day baby looking like on a kazana on a plate like my tie like कुल्फी रसमलाई पिस्ता बर्फी सर्दियां विच गर्मी लगदी जद भी तू मेरे राह विचों चलदी क्लब विच मेरे कोलों लंघदी Don't back and bubble up in front of me Everybody trying to figure out your recipe Just trying to get a piece Baby, I know that you wanna get crazy, crazy Shorty, take it slow, then chitty, chitty Hey, baby, let me see it I just wanna eat it Baby, let me see it Oh, I really need it Oh, baby, let me see it I just wanna eat it I know the things that you like
Wonderful.
Girls.
Let's give them all big
Aisha.
hand of applause
Anisha.
over here. Come.
Guys, let's stand in a line. We'll take a nice
All the
picture.
mashis over here also.
Wait, 1 second.
All the dancers come over here. Just
One second.
wait a second.
Guys, spread out a little bit so we'll get everybody in the picture. Girls in the back, come on this side. There you go. Yeah, you can be on the second step, yeah. Or you can be here, guys, in the front. Guys, be in the front. Everyone. Yeah. Okay. There you go,
In the
girls.
meantime, all the mashis be ready.
Look here, girls. Smile.
Let's call all the uncles and meshos and Luca. It's time for you to come here as well. Stay. Meshos with
Agra. Video this. ఇక్కడ పెట్టాలరా ఇక్కడ పెట్టాలి అక్కడ ఎక్కడ
Guys, come out. Dinner is starting.
Yeah, proof. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल साडा हाले थोड़ा साफ जा नहीं लगदा इरादा गुत्त बाली लंबी नहीं रखी है मुट्टे यार ने है दिखदा परांदा नहीं देखदा पराडा फिगर तो लगदी लटीनो एक बारी दस दो जी इन्ने क्यों शकीनो कल ही तू इटली तो आई मर जानी ते परस तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो हाँ तेनू क्यों ना दिखा तेरे तो की सिखा तेरे ते की लिखा हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 सोहणिए नी अख तेरी थी फायर अगर देखदी नहीं इदां तां शरीफा ਇੱਥੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਮੱਚਦੀ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਚੱਲ ਕਰੇ ਲੰਡਨ ਤੇ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਆਈ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਫਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੋਰਾ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਆਈ ਜੀ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਬੋਰਾ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਬਾਜ ਤੇਰੀ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਜ਼ਰੀਲੀ ਨੂਰੀ ਵਰਗੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਲੱਕ ਹਿੱਲਦਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਨੋਹਰਾ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਥਾਂ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਜਾਨ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ
हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हाय मैं तेरा तो अख तेरी मंगे कंगना हुणे मैं बनाना मैनू दस